North Point students, I'm going to read to you one of my favorite Dr. Seuss's book, as well as my children's, if you can't tell. We've read it quite often as the binding is coming apart, but we are going to read There's a Wocket in My Pocket. I love this because it shows great rhyme and silly rhyming, to say the least. Did you ever have a feeling there's a zamp in the lamp? Or a nink in the sink? Or a wasset in the closet? Sometimes I'm quite certain there's a jertin in the curtain. And when I hear a talk, I know us locks behind the clock. He's so cute. And that Zelf up on that shelf, I have talked to her myself. I like the Zabel on the table and the Gare beneath the chair. But the Bofa on the sofa acts as if he doesn't care. That Bofa. I like the Geeling on the ceiling and the Zower in the shower. And the Nuppert in the cupboard, I do like them a lot. But that Noothbrush on my toothbrush, well, some are nice, but he is not. The Yeps on the steps are always fun to have around, and so are many, many other friends that I have found. Like the Teller and the Neller and the Geller and the Deller and the Beller and the Weller and the Zeller in the cellar. There's the Yodel in the bottle, whom I do not wish to keep. But the Zillow on my pillow always helps me fall asleep. Bye, North Point.